What's up? The Rona has us all indoors, right? I know what you're thinking. You're probably just letting yourself go. But I'm here to give you a hair review and also teach you how to do your extended ponytail the fastest way possible. That way, during this Rona season, you could still be cute. Oh, and the Sewupscale hair, let me tell you. It was shipped to me on Friday and it arrived at my door on Monday. Yeah, I think Friday the 13th was shipped. It's here now. What I'm gonna do is I wanna wash it so I can give you guys a full in-depth one-on-one review. That way you know I haven't taken it out of its packaging, but how cute is this? But here's a shed test for you. Nothing. I washed both bundles with the Argan oil, Moroccan Argan oil, as you can see here. And I rinsed it out with this Shea Moisture Weightless Rinse Cream. One bundle sitting here. Doesn't it look, it looks really great. It smells good. It feels good through my fingers. So far, so good. I just want to let you know that this flat iron right here, it's a red titanium styler. It's ass. It didn't make my hair straight at all. I started one quadrant, not even a quadrant, a little, and that shit was staying like this. So I just gave up. I'm not gonna force heat in my hair if the shit's not gonna work, okay? What I did was I went through with my edge booster, edge control, not the gel, because the last time I tried it with the gel, my hair like reverted and got really wavy. So I just went around the perimeter of my head with some edge booster, edge control. I didn't do my baby hair. That's naturally me. And that's how I achieved this sleekage. There's so many videos that show you how to get your edges in the front of your head sleek, but I haven't seen a video that teaches you how to actually install your ponytail in the fastest method possible. And that's what we're gonna do. Gonna blast! My hair is double wefted. I close the weft by sewing it from end to end. The end that was sewed together, I attached to the end of the ponytail, like as like a little anchor, and then I sewed that on. From there, I wrapped the bundle around the braided ponytail. Do better than me, like braid your ponytail a little tighter than I did, because you want a strong anchor. I really love the quality of Sewupscale hair. It has minimum shedding, and they're based in Texas, and I'm from New York, and it only took like 3 days to get there. Like they shipped Friday the 13th, and it was at my door on Monday. Once you got your anchor ready, what you're gonna do is sew it onto the ponytail, and then make sure that your bundles are wrapped evenly and wrap that part around your braided hair. Also, they have really great customer service. Their owner, Carrie Dad, like she is amazing. I made the switch from straight hair to body wave like last minute because I wanted to achieve this kind of a look. And she did that with like no complaints or no attitude. And they're also reasonably priced. So if I were you, I'd check them out. I would go to Instagram right now and use my discount code FionaIam to get you some Sewupscale hair. And I promise you, girl, you're gonna feel yourself. Like all this luxury on my scalp, I'm ready to have a full sew-in right now. Like I'm ready for a sew-in. I want a sew-in. I don't even want a ponytail. I want a full sew-in. You're gonna go a little ways up on the ponytail and start sewing the bundles on, and then continuing the same method that you did earlier on. Just wrap it, sew it. I like to wrap it around 3 times and tightly, then sew it to the ponytail. So I got caught in the rain. It is a rainy ass Monday, so that's why the front of my hair is not as sleek as it was when I initially did my ponytail. But at the same time, I'm jumping on to show you guys what my hair, or what the Sewupscale hair is like a few days later. The hair, and if it's hard to do or if there's like hella shedding, you'll be able to see that. How beautiful. Now, simply, if I wanted to fix this, I just have to like flat iron it, right? Get that flat iron, take out the frizzies, but no problems brushing it out. Do you see a lot of stuff? You don't see a lot of, what's that word I'm looking for? Shedding. I like that. If you have a hair company in mind that you'd like me to try, hit me in my DM on Instagram at FionaIam, or email me at imfionak@gmail.com and share with me some hair companies you'd like for me to try.